टीना आ गई थी ना 20
टीना आ गई ना नहीं वो तो आई गई है
ये 20
okay so shall we start okay good morning girls lovely to see everybody here so as we all know this meeting is all about our path forward for Agora so the flow who's it fine किसका लगेगा 5,000 इकट्ठे करने हैं so the flow of this whole meeting would be where um, Prachi and Shweta would be introducing the clubs, which the path forward, which the founders are thinking. And after the presentation, if any question and answers, if you have any query, you can put it to both of them. I would request if you can address their name and then ask them. Third is that there will be a Google form after that for us to decide which club, what club. As the meeting goes on, you'll understand it better. And then followed by lunch. So hope you all understand, enjoy the meeting, and take it forward by Shweta and Prachi. So we start with which Prachi? So we start with Prachi. She would be presenting the first. Thanks.
Hi, welcome for this very beautiful meeting. Finally, 4 years after Agora was conceived in 2022 May, and August 23 we had a charter. We are here today. We are 33 members strong. It's been a beautiful journey every single year. And when we began on 17th of May 2022, I identified 6 friends who I thought I wanted to grow young with, and hence Agora took shape. We took 13 beautiful months to grow into our charter, and we were 13 members then. And now it's been a beautiful journey. All of us are here. The plan for 2 clubs was always on paper. Some of you who are new may understand why are we doing 2 clubs split. So when a full country is formed internationally, you have to be 2 clubs and minimum 10 members strong. Each club has to have 5 members. So on paper, we were always 2 clubs from day one. And then we started, integrating more members, and we kept growing bigger. Now we've come to a point where we're 33 members, and we thought it's right time for us to think for the way forward and plan the ethos and what each one of us feels for ourselves in our Agora journey. So when we began in 22, it was about 8 to 10 members. 23, we graduated to 10 to 12 members. 24, it was about 12 to 15 members. Then last year, it was 15 to 18. And this year, it's graduated to 18 to 40 for one club. So in Agora, the beautiful part is every club can decide their own DNA, the membership, to the ethos, to the vision, on how you want to create it. In India, our 2 primary features are we're looking at growing spiritually and we're looking at traveling. And we need to have our investment. When we're emotionally invested, financially, spiritually invested, it's good to have a good return. So we find our own fit. I always personally, when I conceived Agora, the idea was to bring the best of EO and the best of Lady Circle into Agora. So are all of you familiar that we're part of the Roundtable family? Everybody, are we familiar? Roundtable family has 5 clubs, Agora being the 5th. And it wasn't there in India, it came in 3 years ago. So the Roundtable and Lady Circle feature goes that small clubs are there and we are part of the bigger umbrella. But Agora doesn't define us on our membership. Agora doesn't have to have tabling women. It can have anybody. Agora doesn't have to have this number or that number. Today, if a club wants to be 100 clubs members strong, it can. I mean, there's nothing like a limiting factor. The biggest countries, Italy, Belgium and France, they have members up till 28, 30 also in a club. So if India wants to make it to 40, nobody is going to tell us not to. So today we're going to present our viewpoint. And I would say that let's all of us, thank you firstly for filling the forms. Each one of you has shown inclination towards a smaller or larger group, which is great. But please note that people who've chosen the smaller group can definitely shift their vote to the larger group. Why? Because if you feel you want to be part of a larger community and that's a fit for you, so go for that. Be very selfish here because it's about your growth. It's not about, anybody else's. So see your fit, what is going in place, and we're going to start. So vision of Club 1 is going to be very similar. This is the aims and objectives that we had started on 17th of May 2022 with. To promote, develop friendships, to unite members, to bond and serve. It was about coming together. to grow in all spheres by gaining knowledge. So Agora was meant for knowledge building, learning, experiential events, and spiritually growing. Third part was to connect, travel, and learn more of unity and diversity. And that is how we are all here. Okay, so the first point is that in Club One, when I say Club One, I'm representing Club One here. Obviously, I'm choosing to be part of Club One. What date it is, we can decide later. 12 to 3 is what we are sticking on. Second Wednesday of the month is what we are sticking on as of now. The idea is to create a spiritual community where we share our highs and lows. Now let me explain this a bit. In EO, if somebody is familiar, there's something called forums, where you're a sacred inner forum. You know, you share your highs and lows. So if the members of Club One decide that they want to uplift each other and want to be small, intimate, inclusive space, then they can choose that. They can get vulnerable, they can uplift each other into intimate group of 8 to 12 members with peer-to-peer learning, with meaningful conversations and having oneself energized. Now, when I say this, it means that not necessarily that every month we have to have an outside facilitator coming to us to teach. It could be that one of us is gifted with something. We have peer-to-peer learning. She can share the skill. Like, for example, Sheetal is a professional coach nowadays. She has some concepts. Happy if she's a member, she can come. If she's an outside member, she can come to our club to teach us, to take us through, or however. As a club, we aim to connect once a quarter. This is an intention that with the other Delhi clubs. Right now, there are two clubs beginning in May, the AGM. It could be that later we meet other clubs on a every other month level, or once in a quarter we meet at a pan India level. This decision will be taken by the board of all the 3 or 2 or other clubs, that how often do they want to come together at a pan Delhi level, which means that right now 2 clubs exist. How often are we meeting together? It's an intention. Decisions have not been taken. Of course, you can ask us questions whenever possible. This is what I personally thought that when I say I, it comes from the selfish space of my inner growth and creating a like-minded group. So small and inclusive is the energy that I'm looking at. Sharing highs and lows for the friends that who are there as a tribe, uplifting each other, and every voice matters. Like together, these 8 to 12 members will decide what learning they want, what experiences they want, what do they want to share, do they want a forum setting, or what they want. They come to a decision. And I truly believe that behind every successful woman, there's a tribe of women who are uplifting her, who have her back, and women are the best friends. And I believe in this very strongly, that we, make each other, we crown each other, we treat each other like we really are meant to be. And together we take this leap of faith. These are ideas which the club members will choose, because right now there is no board, so as to say. Right now, we don't even know who's becoming a member. It could be that I began at grassroots level of 1 member in 17th of May 2022. It could be again that I start a Club One like that. So the new members will decide what they want in their journey. First was a floating sound healing, which is done in a pool where you lie down on floating beds, and there's sound healing with the gongs and the Buddhist monks and the bowl. This is a session with Brahmakumaris where we learn to realign with our purpose, discover inner strength, creation. Whatever we wish, we can learn. Inner child healing is a guided meditation where we tap in our inner world, and whatever is there, we let go. Fourth is the ice bath reset. This could be done. Any event we decide, the members decide, not just me, the members decide. Next, please. And for now, we were thought of to present first 3 months, and this is where we are. There will be a retreat in the first 3 months. Either there could be calming healing retreat at the Chimneys Resort in Gethia, Nainital. Now that resort has a portal where there's energy. Portal, if people understand, is where there's a lot of energy happening. And that is where karmic baggage is a reset. This facilitator specially does it only there with a small group of friends who raise your consciousness. So that is one intention. The second is sacred geometry retreat. Again, it's to do with if people are familiar with pyramids and how they were created and how we can create our own space. Third is rejuvenation. If the feeling of the members is that we just want to go for a physical detox, then we can go to the Nag Resort and go for that. The other option is we do a Malika Arjun. It's a Jyotirling in Andhra. We can go for that. Divine Darshan with Andhra means staying in Hyderabad and having a good life. So a mix of spirituality and a mix of fun. all the retreats are at a 40 to 50,000 bucks for 2 nights, 3 days. Dates will be decided by the members of the club. Usually the retreats are happening in August and September.
West, then make a U-turn. Jao.
Yes, exactly. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, what did you say? Go right. Go right. Where did you say that? All right. So, and then for the next, this was for September. Again, there's a.
Make a U-turn.
I'm sorry.
Can you just switch off your Google Map and just say reached? Then it will not give instructions.
I'm really sorry.
Turn left, then turn right.
I'll wait.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't know something else. I've switched it off.
Hey, Google Map.
I've switched it off.
Silent पे कर.
White and
Okay. So there's something very beautiful.
really sorry.
आप 10 मिनट सर्विस रोकेंगे please. Just 10 minutes.
Anybody wants to take it order?
Yeah. Either we stop.
भैया आप एक बार ऑर्डर ले लो सबका फिर
हाँ.
बीच में मत.
नहीं आप फ्लेक्स हो जाते हैं.
Yeah. Okay, so a few of us went to the Osho Resort last year, and we had this beautiful meditation called Dynamic. They also do that here in Delhi, so we could do that. There's something called Rage Room. I think most of us are familiar with. When there's excess energy in us, Rage Room helps in releasing and surrender. There's a very beautiful power of gratitude of journaling and the power of journaling. So if we want to go for that session, we can always do that, revisit the importance. Keep it simple, keep it relevant. The fourth is a blackout poetry. Here there's something called looking in the books. Each one gets a different book, and we are guided by the facilitator to discover the patterns in our life. So every session is a meaningful one, but we choose what we want to go for in our journey if we choose a small inclusive group. Next one, please. And now, in the end of September and beginning of October, every year there's an international retreat, international AGM of Ladies Agora Club International. Ladies Circle has to get out there. Agora Club International. This year it's in Rotterdam. It's on a large boat. It's a very beautiful. This is the boat that we are going to be going, and it's absolutely beautiful. So if you think you have the bandwidth to enjoy it, what's most beautiful is that we wear our national costumes and we are all Indians that day. And it's beautiful to go and experience that. Tina and I've experienced that internationally, and it's something that changes something in you. You have done a lot of it in Ladies Circle, very similar to that. And so, for this, just an information that floor members can apply to the board, the national board, for a grant. 25,000 is available for 2 people. And you have to write a little form, and if you want, you can avail of this. This is one very strong idea that we had, and this is full moon meditation. We've had a smaller version of this at Chandni's house. Chandni, thank you for opening your home for this event. This is something we're looking at having as a marquee event for Agora to celebrate full moon and to invite friends and family in as fundraiser. And every single penny that we raise will go towards the International Service Project, which is adopted for a 2-year course at the international conference. I think that's about it, which we have. Yes, I believe in this. Together we try. We are aiming to create a very safe space by being inclusive, by being small, by being intimate. And as a club, this is something I want to very strongly imbibe in me, and I hope my members feel the same. We belong to a judgmental world. If we can bring that shift in us to just accept each other for who we are and not judge and get transparent and reflection, stay away from gossip. This was the main thing we defined that Agora was all about. And that still hasn't changed, in me at least. Things change, years change, leadership changes, but what remains constant is our affection for each other, our friendships, our relationships, our lifetime connections, personal growth, and many times some things fall apart only to bring something more beautiful. And I truly believe that when that happens, it's a nice shift and we become better. So let's get empowered and let's uplift each other. And please, again, I repeat, when the second presentation is over, decide for who you want to be. It is absolutely your choice, not anybody else's. Shweta, I think that's the last slide, or is there one more? Yes, so these question answers we will have at the end of the second presentation, so that whatever questions you have, we are very happy to answer them. And the decisions which are not taken up by the group will be taken up thereafter. Shweta, over to you.
I can shift it.
So yeah, thank you, Prachi, for the Club One presentation. And now you girls have heard this. Now we go up to Club Two. Moving forward, the vision of Club Two. Aims and objectives are the same. The ethos of Agora remains the same: to promote, develop friendships, to unite members, to bond and serve, to grow in all spheres by gaining knowledge, to connect, travel, and learn more of unity in diversity. So Prachi has explained it quite extensively. So I'll just take it forward now. Next one, yeah. So the vision of Club 2 kept it very simple. We have the same thing, 12 to 3 is the timing, second Wednesdays of the month. This group, we have thought it as 18 minimum and maximum 40 members. This is how it's different from Club 1, where we are thinking of having a larger group where we can add 40 members so that we can meet, greet, again, learn a lot and keep it more simple. The age cap is 37 years to 48 years is what we have decided and thought about. Moving forward, so our way forward for Club 2 is the motto or the thought behind is the moments of togetherness from the daily hustles of life. So we all are around, I think all of us are 40 plus. We've been there, done that, and we want to just come here, be ourselves and not be hustled or, with a lot of things on our mind. So this space will be where we're just relaxing, being ourselves, being with our friends and enjoying ourselves. The whole year or the club vision ahead is, of course, we will have meaningful social experiences as we've been having. The club will be, members will be deciding, the board that forms, that will be deciding it. Of course, it's for spiritual and inner well-being that we come together, the friends that we make, the club members that we are with. It's for our growth. The retreats that we have, it's most of you all have been in all the retreats in past 2-3 years, and we know how we bond there, and the bonds that we make there is that we cherish further. So both the retreats, that is the domestic and the international ones, will happen, and we're building a stronger community where we are together, we are for each other, and we have each other's back. So it's simple. We won't keep it anything complicated or by doing many things. It's just going to be a space where we come, we enjoy, and have our tribe together. Moving forward. So this is something that we truly felt for Club 2. We want to be simple. We want to be real, be honest, and show up as you are. The world where we are in, we are putting up faces. Somewhere we have to, somewhere we don't have to, but this space is going to be where we're just going to keep it simple. To keep it simple, of course, there has to be some discipline, and that discipline will create that bond and that community. So we will find our tribe and we will keep it for life. So this is something that Club 2 is going to go forward with. And just to end with, for Club 2, twinkle in your eye, dimple in your cheek, and simple in your life. It's going to be very simple with discipline and togetherness. This community is going to be taken forward. So that's for Club 2. And yeah, over to Sumita and Nanda.
Take over the question answer. Closing speech though.
Let's just have to questions, no? You think
Okay, yeah. Serious issue.
Serious
नहीं
नहीं
है.
है.
Smile loud. Okay, so girls, we want to repeat the slides again. If anybody wants to see it again or go through it.
Shakul, even later you have any questions, ask.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that.
In any case, we'll send the presentation link on the group.
I think it was
So
the same.
it's very simple, Shagun. It's a smaller group. It's a group for 8 to 12 people. Every member has a voice. They decide what trajectory they want to take. Right now, what is happening is the board is deciding. Obviously, we are a group of 30 plus. Here, we will decide. Of course, there will be a board here as well. Now, there's difference here that we may not have an outside facilitator every month the way we have been having because it will be a smaller group. So we may learn from each other. We may come together for a different experiential purpose. And this is just a small synopsis of what the club is all about. Lifting each other up, being smaller and closer, sharing highs and lows. I also talked about something called an EO forum. And if the club members decide they wish to have that experience, they may choose that. It's not a mandate. Say if the 12 members, 6 want to decide they want to be part of the forum, they can have an additional 1 hour. You can work around it. The members take a decision. Here onwards, you were there? Yeah. So that's about it.
So just one thing, these sessions which were mentioned here, the options that were given, other ones will also be there in class.
Like you've been part of Agora for a while, the leadership is deciding on very beautiful spiritual sessions. Whether they decide these or some new ones, but they will be always in the ethos of spirituality and experiential learning, and sometimes out of your comfort zone. So we do give you an experience. So both the clubs will have exactly same ethos. The only dividing factor is a smaller and a larger community.
So the
That's it.
question would have been like, will we have the same events, right? Similar events. So not necessary like in her events if they have that, for example, the sound healing there. Not necessary we have it here now.
Yeah.
Maybe going further. So the clubs are going to be totally different.
Yes.
It's run totally different.
Similar, yes. Maybe not.
Similar
Same
ethos
lines.
is
Similar
there.
lines, yes.
Similar lines where we are having social experience, spiritual experience, retreat, and it's the same format. But what the experiences will be, it will be on the club.
Just one more small question. This we are starting from this year itself.
From May. The next month is our AGF, and we are going to be finally taking the leap ahead of bifurcating the 2 clubs. It was always on paper, but now physically we're doing it.
So today it will be like decided
Yeah.
by the members. AGM, we will formally announce it as the way forward. Like today we've just given a brief of it. Now when we get our members, the way forward for each club, that this is the board or these are the members or whatever, everything will be now put after the members have been decided.
So in the second one, there was an age criteria from 37 to 48.
48, yes.
So after 48, then
We have
That's an
48.
induction age. 48 is the induction age.
the induction.
Yeah,
It's not like a
yeah.
retired
Not that a
after
retired
48.
thing.
अरे हम बड़े होंगे हम यही रहेंगे दीदी एलसी में 40 के बाद यहाँ पे 48 के बाद
So we are making a
But again, these are going to happen for the incoming members, not the present
induction.
membership.
And it's a tribe, we said, right? It's a tribe that we keep for life. So it's not that we are going to.
No, it's a valid question. It's a
Yeah,
valid
valid
question.
question.
I knew someone was going to ask.
दीदी कितनी एज की होने वाली है?
Nidhi has a question.
So we take it up on the board, whatever club you are in, we can put that up because it's all forming again. So we keep this in mind in both the clubs, wherever whoever wants to say.
Rules are same.
More or less, it will be the same.
More or less the same. Fine तो होगा शिवाली. Fine तो क्या होगा?
Yes, yes.
Because you
More
know
or
what?
less, everything will be the same.
One thing is there. So one thing is there, I would, out of my experience in the club in these 3 years and 4 years, the club, when we have these fines, the attendance, club chal bhi raha hai usi se. You know, and when you have a discipline, that's why I mentioned, when discipline है तो फिर club बहुत अच्छे से आगे बढ़ता है. कोई कभी आ रहा है, कोई आ ही नहीं रहा, तो वो club बढ़ेगा कैसे? So बस उस thought से हम लोग ये रखते हैं. If it is really getting something, a negative word to use, nasty or something like that, then we as a board you can put it up and you can, as a member you can put it up and we think about it. So even for club 1, club 2, discipline होए तो club अच्छे से चलता है. I remember when we started off, there was one or two events where people were coming in at like 2 o'clock. Then that is when we started these rules. हम 12 o'clock बोलते थे, 2 बजे तक लोग आते थे. फिर वो मीटिंग कब खत्म हुए कब जाए तब हमने ये रूल्स बनाए हैं. These are all like afterwards we've made these rules.
Tried and tested. That's how they've come to.
So we can take suggestions, but it's all these rules are pretty much the same for both the clubs. Yeah.
The international retreats and requests, will be a combined thing or it's going to be individual?
We haven't yet decided anything. It will be all taken up once the members are done and taken up by the board. Then, as Prachi said, the boards will decide.
And
individual
also,
boards will decide.
We feel every voice matters. Like when we induct members also, we give every club member a chance to raise an objection if some member is liked or not liked. Similarly, each one of you has a voice. There's a Google form. Put in your matter there. You're happy to talk to the board. They're happy to discuss it out. We are here for helping each other and grow each other. So we'll figure it out. As of now, that path is not decided, but we will.
So moreover, club 1, club 2, major difference is the number of meetings.
Yes.
Yes.
So right now we come under the category of club 2.
Yes.
Currently, so many
Absolutely.
people sitting
Absolutely.
Okay. So, any more questions?
Brinda, we had few questions of the group. Would you like to take them up? If somebody is missing, there were 6-7 questions. So that we address all of them. Or any of the board members, you have the questions in the group, you can ask on behalf of the floor. मैंने लिखा हुआ, is there something called questions? So just
Yeah, Brinda, I have it.
and your first form was just to gauge your idea about leadership, about your choice. Obviously, you can easily shift from small to large, large to small, or whatever.
Okay, so the form that we had asked the members to fill in, there were these questions that had come up. I feel quality of group is more important than quantity. So let's try to keep it small so that we connect well. So I think Priyanka had said this, and we get it that quality and quantity, but there is a situation where we have to have some distinction. So whichever you feel कि क्वालिटी चाहिए क्वांटिटी चाहिए जिसमें भी आपका ठीक लगता है then you can go ahead with this is what I want to say. Anything you want to put in front?
No, absolutely perfect.
Okay. So next question that came up on the form, will the city clubs come together for an event or retreat? If yes, how frequently? If no, why not? So we just mentioned, Sheetal asked this and we said we will be taking up this once the boards are formed and understanding that how an individual board of each club will be deciding this, that do we come together for an event or retreats or all of that. So nothing has been decided about this right now. Okay.
But that is something we are going to look at in larger circle because ultimately we're creating a community. Every month, of course, not, but once in a while we will look at it. So it's not like it will be a complete cut-off.
Okay, so there was this one suggestion. We can think of forming just one club in one city instead of having 3 to 4 clubs. Also, to add a fun element, we can have different My Agora groups like fitness, sports, movies, fashion, lifestyle, travel and trails, etc. Also would emphasize on bringing down the attendance to 50 to 60%. Under My Agora group, we can further start giving points from the facet as well. So I think this Shruti had given this suggestions. So all of this we will be taking up at the board level and then we will put it forth ahead.
So a lot of you may know that the intention from day one was to have these small interest groups. That is the reason why Agora 12 Jyotirlings is existing. Then Abha Karwa was supposed to initiate a book reading club. So, and we were looking at Longback as golfers. So a lot of plans were there, but because the strength was lesser, we never implemented these interest groups. But now the time probably has come for whoever, whatever you believe. For example, somebody believes in meditation, somebody believes in nutrition, somebody believes in, like the way she says, fitness and trails, or movie or something. You create smaller groups, and they
that would be part for the that will be part of the whole club, right?
that will be part of Pan Delhi. So anybody who has interest in that particular portion goes in there, and you can meet separately. That particular interest group decides which day, which month, online, offline, which movie or what theater. They decide that. So that is also going to be one place of creating your own vibe, people. Like that's possible.
That is what part of Club 1 and Club 2.
Club 1, Club 2
So,
are going to have to be
girls,
blended
what
together.
I feel is, rightly, this question has been put up and it has been come forward that we will be having this. So, right now, I feel that we are at a very nascent stage. Right now, each club has to be formed. तो वो club अच्छे से चलना है, लोग चलेंगे जब तक 1 साल लग जाएगा. फिर हम जब members आ जाएंगे, फिर club 3 आएगा, club 4 आएगा, club 5 आएगा, तब हम ये interest groups बना पाएंगे.
It
Because
already है, Shweta.
which one?
The 12 Jyotirlings.
So has it started?
It started, and in fact, the plan is being made.
Okay.
So
we
it's
didn't
already
know about
started.
it.
Yeah.
वो अभी पता नहीं था.
Nee, we had announced on the board also and on the members group also. So it's already started. Similarly, if somebody wants to start something,
हाँ, so
Let
वो board
them
से बात करिए.
Yes.
वो देखो अभी again ठीक है ये start हो गया. Sorry, we did not know about
No,
it,
but
and I
we
think
haven't-
most
we
of the
haven't
members.
started yet.
हाँ, वो
we
started
have
नहीं है.
begun the event, but the group is already there. Yes.
Group is formed. उसमें कुछ अभी rules नहीं बने हैं या systems नहीं lay down हुए हैं. कुछ भी वैसा नहीं हुआ है. होएगा. इसमें ऐसा बात नहीं है कि नहीं होएगा. My point to say is here, it's too early to decide this. हम पहले इसको करें. Let's go step by step. इसका success करें because it takes good time to even start again and get this to be successful. We'll have a lot of teething problems when we start 2 clubs also, right? So let's start this. Once this is set, this will also happen, and then धीरे धीरे we can come up with these questions that who's going to be there, who's going to lead it, how do we go ahead with it, does both the clubs or all the clubs pan India do this, pan Delhi do this. There are a lot of questions which will come up, which will happen slowly. This is my suggestion for this part of the
So we are
whole thing.
open to all suggestions.
Yeah.
We are open to all changes, and there's going to be एक ढांचा where the entire Agora exists. Other than that, decisions are going to take time. So this is the first step. After this, during the AGM, you'll get a better understanding of what it is, and eventually, looking at the number of members and the involvement of members, will decide what we do. Correct.
And one of you had raised a question just this morning. So I'm going to just answer directly. Whatever prospects we have 2 in the wait list because we were going to, again divide. So we told them to wait up until July when the new batch starts. And that is when we have discussed at the board level that because many of us want a community and few of us want smaller groups. So we will work on developing club number 1 with the prospects. But having said that, the prospects will also be given a chance, I feel, right, Sunanda? It's not like we can impose on them to be part of a smaller group or a larger group.
Yeah.
The prospects choose their DNA, whether they want to be part of small or large, and gradually we will work. It may take time, but it will happen eventually. That's how it began and that's how it will work. So yes, that is just a point I want to bring to you. That some people may think that, and that is why I also want to add that if you think that you don't have the patience for the small group to grow bigger, please safeguard your position in the bigger group because maybe if you decide to shift, is there anything about shifting from one club to another?
Still have to decide that.
Okay, so that may be a possibility. If you have an option, suggest to the board will discuss and get back to you. Any more questions for there in the group? That's it.
Yeah.
So, do you have any more questions? Any clarity to
Anyone
this?
else? Any question? Any clarity? No? So can we put the form on the group? We are putting the form right now on our Agora Club group, and if you all can take 2 minutes, you all can take 5 minutes, you all want to think over it.
Form
just-
Let them sleep over it. Let them give them 2 days.
And Shweta, you'll have to open the form again because उसमें शायद ये आता है that you've already filled
Mhm.
and you can't again update.
Yeah, you can.
So then please open that setting so that if somebody wants to shift their vote, maybe somebody chosen smaller and they want
We
to go for
discussed
large.
this, Prachi? I
ना
think,
अपनी form बोला इसलिए मैं बोली.
हाँ, नहीं, I think a person can have once only their vote.
We'll go back to the form. We'll just go through it. If
Yes.
you want to add any more questions, अपने देख लेते हैं.
No, I'm just saying that maybe that time they chose, like Priyanka said, she chose a small group, but then she felt that she needs to be in a larger group. So she should have the option to shift. That is why I'm saying.
Are we filling another thing the second one, right?
I don't know. Actually, you should just decide here and then, but okay, whatever.
In life, we should decide. We should just whatever.
But let the board know. But you suggest what you want.
That time we did not have
One person.
But yeah, उसमें you didn't have the vision for both the clubs. अभी कल को आपको लगे कि small club is too small, or you know I may be lost. I'm not sure. Let them board. They're discussing right now, or maybe we can decide here in itself. I mean, if members were here, the others will get this video and they can make an informed decision.
I have a question.
Yes. No, nothing is there. One second, Sunanda, Shweta, Linda. Nidhi has a question.
Yeah. Let's address the question first and
Yeah.
then let's discuss about the Google form and whatever.
So what I was trying to say, ask here is that
Yeah.
suppose it's for 10 tickets.
Right.
Suppose all the founder members,
Right.
maybe out of 8, 6 of you decided to go to Club 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the newcomers, we don't know you people that well also. Don't you think Club 2 के जो members होंगे, अगर आप लोगों का guidance नहीं होगा,
नहीं,
founder members वाले,
so-
maybe you people are good at speaking.
So founder members may, I'll be very clear, I'm the only one with a small club vision. So be rest assured, Club 2 has the majority. Why? Because a lot of us believe in group energy.
Yeah,
And a few of us believe in smaller energy.
The only thing was like what I'm trying to
We're not
say is
dividing.
the cream.
No,
In other words,
everybody,
gets
like,
educated
everybody is the
in one
cream.
side.
I want to correct
And
you
the
here.
others try to become that cream.
No, we're all the cream. There's
I
nothing.
agree.
So, and every,
Suppose you feel cream club 1 में है.
मतलब हाँ, देखो ये लगा तो सारे topper
नहीं, I'm just saying दो club में एक club में कोई cream है.
कुछ नहीं.
Just the term, I want you to express
No,
that.
very valid.
We get your point. We get your point.
Yeah.
We get your point.
He has a question.
So I think you have a question. Can we just
नहीं, वो भी we're not doing that.
which founders are in club? Which founders are in club? Would be better.
Members we still need to decide. Okay, for now.
Yeah.
Now. For now and future, club 1 में प्राची है. Club 2 में श्वेता है. As you can see, she's leading it.
And now she's quiet. We can see that she's quiet. Just the founders.
Yeah. I'm in club 2 as of now.
Preeti, PJ, I'm in Club 2.
And Preeti was the charter chairperson of Club 2 even formally. So it was always planned like that. And I was a charter chairperson of Club 1. So that DNA is not changing. You know, as I said initially, it should be about you. What is it that is your calling? Do you want to be part of like the energy that we are right now, which is beautiful? Or do you want to be part of an energy which is smaller and maybe more deeper? You have to decide what your calling is. So that is why this entire exercise is happening. It's up to you, not anybody else.
Deciding here would be more these presentations.
We will share them on group.
Can we like instead of filling the form right away, can we get like another day?
We are not yet telling you to fill the form. As Sunanda and Shweta said, sleep over a day or two, take a day or two, and then come up and the form will be
Why don't you make it
The
out?
only reason.
Where people have a transparency and they know.
Sorry.
I'm saying, why don't you make a message on the group and post it, Club 1, Club 2, and as people keep on filling, everyone knows who's going where.
Perfect.
No, I would not suggest this because it's all individual as per the
Yes.
ethos and the ideas of the members, which should be. It should not be really only reflected by.
A lot
She
of
said
them
that she wants to be with familiar faces. She just said that,
Who?
maybe.
Priyanka.
Yeah,
आप
I just said
आपका
that.
बात कर लो ना, आप अपने friends से बात कर लो, आप
नहीं प्रियंका, मैं एक बात बता रही हूँ.
बात कर लो.
आज
Giving
मैं
you
मेरी
time, आप लोग आपस
थॉट्स
में
तो
बात कर
क्लब
लो.
1 के साथ जा रहे, बट मे बी somebody else is interested, तो मेरा कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, बट तुम्हारे इथॉस तो क्लब 1 के साथ ही अटैच्ड है या क्लब 2 के अटैच्ड है, and you're shifting. So that's what Prachi said. Go as per what you thinking कि तुम्हारे इथॉस और तुम्हारे थॉट्स क्या चाहते हो तुम क्लब से. So you need to decide on that.
But no, let's be honest here.
But
Let's be honest here.
एक और चीज प्रियंका, एक और चीज है. I want to add this.
I'll take you.
एक मिनट प्रियंका, एक और चीज है. That
I'll take first. I'll take
हमारे
Aditi, then I'll
friends
take you.
दूसरे में जा मतलब है उसमें. So
हाँ वही.
more or less spiritual तो दोनों ही होंगे. Spiritual होगी, learning होगी, retreat होगी, दोनों में ही same Similar वो है.
Aditi first and
Only
then
difference if it is that you need smaller group or bigger group. What is your question? But
Can I address this question?
Yes.
Can I address this question? Since we are being honest and real over here, it's a very simple thing. ठीक है, 18, whether it's a smaller group or a bigger group, eventually you want to be with people you want to be with. Okay, you have their numbers.
you have their phones exactly.
We are giving you.
Yeah.
We are giving you 20. No, but this is. we are giving you.
what? I really appreciate what they're
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
And मेरे ख्याल
Absolutely
से
right. Very valid.
form भेजने की जगह बहुत simple है सुनंदा. Keep it simple. Do a poll. Let people see who's where. If they want to define the group with the energy of the friends, why not? Yeah.
So girls, see, this is from one Prachi.
अच्छा.
So as why did we do this then? ठीक है, आपको लगता है आप आपके फ्रेंड्स को फोन करो और आप लोग बोलो. देखो, you also girls have to understand that maybe okay, the friends are going or you choose club 1 for example because you like that ethos. Girls, they're going to be good members there also. You're going to make newer members. You're going to make a newer tribe, and you're going to grow, and everything is going to be there. ठीक है, तो आपको चूज करना है आपके फ्रेंड्स चाहिए या ग्रोथ चाहिए. इट्स एन
नहीं
इंडिविजुअल
friends के साथ भी growth होगी. ऐसी क्यों बोल रही हो? That's not the thing. So
अच्छा अब शिखा से रहा नहीं जा रहा है. शिखा, Aditi.
your question.
I am answering that. I am
Just one day.
answering that.
You have one day, Aditi. कितने फ्रेंड चाहिए तुझे?
Aditi, you have only one minute to call.
Yeah, I know. शिखा बोल. अरे यार शिखा बोल. हाँ हो गया उसका.
और शिक्षा बोल.
मेरे को बस यही कहना है 24 hours में no polling.
Yeah.
It should be voting.
Right.
in the, you know, bigger-
Closed.
Closed.
Yes.
Yeah. It should not be कि सब देखे और ये बोले कि अरे इसमें क्रीम जा रहा है उसमें क्रीम जा रहा
Fair enough, yeah, girls, fair enough.
नहीं शिखा क्रीम ना क्रीम की कोई बात नहीं. It was earlier decided that it's going to be a poll and will remain as a poll, not a vote. Whatever the list, the Google form, we're not changing on that.
Simple Google
Yeah.
form where we are going to ask club 1, club 2. बस नाम लिखा हुआ है club 1, club 2. Simple form है बस, कुछ नहीं है.
everybody is cream.
So again,
What is
again,
अभी देखिए अभी सब कुछ the same ना.
क्या question है?
founders नहीं है. तो we will-
शिवाली,
we will tell
what
you.
question
There
you
will be
have?
one shift for sure. Pehle, when we were growing, the founders had the first call with you online. Then you met the board offline. Then you met the club. Now we're going to go back to the nascent stage, at least in Club 1, I can say, because it's going to be small, intimate. The entire club members are going to meet everybody. There will be a board who will do the first call, the board of the club, not the national board. They will meet online and then the member will come twice per event. We started like this when Agora was conceived. The same thing will happen now in Club 1 for sure. Club 2 will decide the DNA because up founders call is out, up national board call is out, the club level is in. So that shift will happen.
And all of this.
has an issue. The prospect will be dropped.
Yes, that's
So
what.
Shivali,
नहीं.
Shivali, no.
Yeah,
Listen.
it's even happening now also.
Shivali, listen.
नहीं एक second.
One second.
Shivali, what was
One
your
second.
question?
Chandni, एक second.
What was your question, Shivali?
My question are induction groups.
Right. So we are still on the deciding. We are going to still decide the detailed.
Because I'm not clear. Honestly, it might be clear on board.
Right now, we are also not
There
clear
is-
because one level of interaction has gone down. Now, founders will not have a interaction with the the prospect in the first round. So, अब क्या shift होगा? Whether the board will take or whether both the boards of both the clubs will do interact. So we are all deciding that, yeah. But the only, on a serious note, girls, please, 24 hours to fill the form. The only reason why we want to hurry this up is because the AGM is coming. Once we know how many members are there in each club, it will become easier for us to decide all these questions that you have so that we can address it properly at the AGM. AGM is just 1 month away, so we need to prepare it properly before we come to the AGM.
So AGM is different.
No, for the AGM it will be
The same.
or everyone
Same.
should come
Together.
together.
This
That
time.
from July they will be
Yeah.
Whatever we have,
And that too we will decide.
We will
Maybe if
decide.
it's better, we will decide.
अभी कुछ डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है.
क्या deal?
कुछ भी डिसाइड नहीं.
क्या पूछे से?
Club 1 is from 8 to 12. Right now we are 34 33.
33.
and we have about 2 or 3 dormant members.
Dormant members and 2 or 3 prospects. So it's ratios.
Yeah.
Girls, one question at a time, ma'am.
Right.
We take the suggestion of the board member.
Tonight.
We will try.
हाँ.
We will.
हाँ.
Shivali, we will try.
No.
It's like suppose 25 people apply.
Right.
Shivali will take
We
the
will,
suggestion.
we will have a process for it. First
Oh,
come, first
Shivali,
serve
I
नहीं है.
feel the same. Don't worry. I feel the same. So what will decide?
Shivali, we did not hear you. What did you say?
Safe win for me. Okay. Now whoever goes in club 1 and whoever goes in club 2, like we don't know, right? And it doesn't matter. It's a personal ethos which is playing, right? If I go in club 1, I'm really good friends with Sunanda. Okay. So I would love to. If I go in club 2, I love Apache. I would love to meet her also. So this whole thought of even between these two that they have, I want to meet all of them. So maybe 2 or 3 events in a year where we all come together because we all want to meet.
We are still again. We will decide
We've
that.
taken that point
We've
of yours,
taken that
Shivali.
point and we'll-
when we
we'll-
formulate
yeah.
the rules, we will consider this. Yeah.
We'll consider
We'll,
this.
we'll think about it and we'll get back to you. And अगर आप क्लब 1 जाते हो तो मुझे कॉल करोगे तो मैं ऐसे ही मिल जाऊंगी.
And Shivali मेरे साथ ही वही है. अगर club 2 जाते हो तो call करो. And you and me are neighbors. We'll anyways catch up. No, but thank you for your suggestion. This is what makes the club strong. When members share their opinions and their wishes, that's how the board works on them. Absolutely.
Yeah.
And Agora is a community we are developing. Today we are 2 clubs. Tomorrow it will be even part of the other cities. Together we'll be community. Of course there will be interaction.
Honestly, if you are having an event and if somebody else wants to come in, you can have a clause for them to enter.
That's a good suggestion. That's a very good
That's
suggestion.
lovely.
No, that's honestly
Yeah,
a good suggestion.
actually.
She's saying suppose
I can actually have an amount to pay and get into
Which is why I said that second Wednesday may be looked at differently because
Yeah.
the same, even I thought so, that probably I would like other
we are
people
not-
to come.
Can we note down something?
any more questions, we will not answer.
चलिए questions लिखे हैं.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
And इसीलिए interest groups है, इसलिए बहुत कुछ है. Of course.
इजराइल और ईरान है, इंडिया पाकिस्तान.
What khichdi are you saying? Sorry.
Again, once this form is filled, we will circulate the AGM date as well.
That's interest
We will
groups,
give you the option. No, it will be in May. AGM date.
13th of May.
Decide.
Okay. The proposed date of AGM.
13th of May.
We will put the AGM date soon on the group.
Just give us 2 days for the. आप लोग या तो अभी आप लोग फॉर्म फिल कर दो. अगर आप लोग को इतना जल्दी ये सब चीजें चाहिए तो हम अभी बैठ के मीटिंग करते हैं और फटाफट सारे आंसर्स करते हैं. हम ना सारे डेट्स बता देते हैं, हम सब सजेशन करते हैं, अभी मीटिंग करते हैं.
अभी कर सकते हैं. We have 5-10 minutes.
अनुश्री तेरे हर चीज में हड़बड़ी क्यों रहती है? हड़बड़ी. बस
जल्दी हमको जाना है. So the faster you fill up the forms, the faster you tell your friends to fill up the form who are not present, it'll be easier for us to decide the date, the way forward, everything faster.
Shikha, please. Girls, any more questions? Any other suggestions? We are also looking forward for that.
Any suggestions?
Shivali, any more suggestions? हाँ हाँ. अरे यार मैसेज स्पेल कर रही थी शिवाली. I was expecting तो आधी पौना घंटे तो बोलेगी.
But the last suggestion was a brilliant suggestion.
I think it's a very good suggestion.
Tina also said that once. There are good events in other clubs.
Yeah. हाँ हाँ मैंने 15 मिनट एक्चुअली लिखा था.
बोलो ना शिवाली, what?
नहीं वो
No, but
वो बाजू वाला हॉल खाली है, शिवाली वहाँ जाके
And Brinda will also actually sitting with Shivali to pick up everything. कभी मुझे भी time 15 minutes extra.
गर्ल्स किसी को रोक नहीं है, आप बोलो.
हाँ,
बोलो
किसको पूछना है?
स्नैक्स शुरू कर दो.
हाँ स्नैक्स शुरू कर दो.
अच्छा सीधा
lunch है.
Shivali, do you have any suggestions?
Okay, any more girls? Any more serious suggestions? Not Shikha's, sorry.
Shikha ने बोल दिया बहुत cut short में. She didn't even take a minute to say. I'm very impressed.
वो इसको कॉफी पे लेके जाओ तो बोलो.
Okay, any questions? Please feel free to write to Brinda or me, since we are still have another month to chair the year. So, and any queries, any suggestions, we are open to all suggestions. It's a brilliant suggestion आया है. So we will all think about it and formulate a better way of working ahead. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please enjoy the food you've paid for.
Thank you
नहीं, जाना
everyone.
नहीं है खाने.
जाना नहीं है.
हाँ.